We're rolling.
Okay.
Okay, here we are in the Studer Museum, and we're going to test the relative thermal expansion of steel versus granitan. These are 1 meter columns of material, and you can see in just a few seconds that we've been running the video that the steel has expanded 20 microns, and the granitan has hardly reacted at all. It's an incredible example of how thermally stable the granitan material is.
So that's just regular stainless steel, I believe. Right?